Hey guys, so this is a short update on my indoor garden and the plants I have in this place. So basically it's an OTS, but a converter into a small enclosure, plant enclosure. I always wanted to have a terrarium, but unfortunately I don't have time or resources to build that. So I use this opportunity to create this place. So I have these plants for almost 1 month now, and yeah, most of them are doing really good, except just one or two. Philodendron neon actually lost its blush, but other than that it's growing new leaves and new branches, which is a good sign. And yeah, Dischidia is doing really good. Tangleheart and Turtle Vine, I wouldn't say they are doing fine. It's actually soft and spongy. It might look good in video, but actually it's very soft. Usually it should have a stiff leaves, but yeah, that I should move it to terrace, and well, this looks pathetic. So I should change this with some Dischidias. And Dischidiopsis is doing really good. It's enjoying its place. It's creating a lot of new branches. There's one, and there's another. And I bought a new Phalaenopsis. It's a pup actually. It should get attached to this wood. Hopefully someday they should fall in love with each other. And I moved my Philodendron Sweetheart on the floor, and I brought a small Micon plant, which is my favorite Philodendron, and it doesn't have a lusher because I just propagated it before a couple of weeks. And my Philodendron Limelight, it's not doing that good, maybe because of my media, not because of the sunlight. Peace Lily, it's enjoying the place. It's throwing a lot of new leaves. ZZ plant is doing fine. Snake plant is doing fine. And my green wave fern, it should do fine, but as of now it just stays there. It's not growing, but it should do fine. Philodendron Burl Marks is enjoying the place, creating beautiful green new leaves actually. And got one Terransia over here. I don't know the idea of this plant, exact idea actually. I'm having this for like say 4 to 5 years now. It produced buds even, but it haven't bloomed yet. I have one lipstick plant. Adansonii is doing good, and Enjoy Pothos is doing fine. It haven't grown a bit, but it's doing fine. Other than that, the snake plant is doing fine. Yeah, hopefully these are the indoor plants which I'm having here as of now. If you have any other suggestions, please let me know so that I can fill this place with a lot of greens. Okay, couple of my friends asked me what are those dried roots, but actually that one is for the Micons. It should get support of that root, and Dischidiopsis should take cover of this. So the view should be really good from the window, from my bedroom window actually, so that I can enjoy the view. So that's the idea. So as of now, the plants are doing good. The plants are stable except the Turtle Vine and Tangleheart. I'll be replacing that with Dischidia Hoya. So this is a view from my bedroom, and so this is how it should look like from my bed every day morning. That's the whole idea. Cool, isn't it? Let's hope for the best. See you in the next update. Bye bye.